Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar Swiss, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, dollar yen, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go. Heading into the Asian pre-open, gold sits at $4,127, and the picture is one of a market that wants to push higher but keeps running into a wall. Our bias is moderately bearish for the session ahead, and here's why. Price closed Friday right beneath a significant resistance cluster between $4,130 and $4,148, a zone that capped gold repeatedly through the week. Every attempt to break above $4,130 was rejected, and that pattern matters. On the 4-hour timeframe, gold is essentially ranging between $4,081 and $4,148. The hourly chart, however, shows a clear downtrend structure, lower highs, lower lows through the session, before a late recovery brought price back to $4,127. That recovery found support around the $4,116 to $4,119 EMA cluster, which is now acting as the immediate floor. Below that, the key support zone sits between $4,081 and $4,096. Worth noting, the 4-hour RSI is at nearly 73, deep into overbought territory, suggesting this rally from last week's lows may be running on fumes. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is light for gold. The Fed monetary policy report drops at 11 o'clock London time, but it's rated low impact. No major catalyst expected, which could mean the technical structure dominates price behavior through the Asian session. Watch for $1,130 on the upside and $4,096 on the downside. Those are your levels into the open. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1439 and 1.1463. Support is marked between 1.1395 and 1.141. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.82 and 162.2. Support is marked between 161 and 161.35. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.80884 and 0.8108. Support is marked between 0.803 and 0.80592. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.6965 and 0.7002. Support is marked between 0.6923 and 0.6949. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.5778 and 0.5793. Support is marked between 0.5759 and 0.5769. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4165 and 1.42. Support is marked between 1.4095 and 1.4133. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.